Hola! As mentioned previously, I have various helper functions and structs to generalize some common workflows. And today, I'll be covering the size structure. For now, it comes with the width, height, and an X scale as well as a Y scale out of the box. But where do I actually use this, you may be asking? Well, size is present in every transform, a helper struct that keeps track of both size and position. For instance, entities use the transform element to make sure that all child components get scaled up equally, rather than scaling each component up individually. Components also use the size struct in some form when they care about the size of itself. For instance, sprites, rectangles, circles, and other shapes use a transform, which has size, so that they can keep track of how wide or tall they need to be. On the other hand, the basic text components doesn't use this as it isn't a text box, so we'll only really worry about rendering the text and not the size it takes up. Finally, components that render themselves that care about the size will get their own size for reference and then multiply it by its own scale factor, as well as the transform scale factors. In practice, it looks like this. Make sure to stay tuned for more work like this.